Okay, the media, you will have to give the lawyers space. Yeah, move behind a bit.
Satisfied the conditions which had been set, we are ready now to receive the bail ruling. Based on that process, to exercise its discretion to grant the accused person's bail.
Has the negotiation been concluded or it's a work in progress?
Your Worship, it has been concluded and additional statements have been recorded.
Additional statement zakoleddwa basabye kooti ebalungamye ku kyekiddako era olwaliro omusango badde gujja kuwulira nsalawo kwa kooti era beetegefu.
I advise the complainants, if they're not interested in further pursuing this matter, to liaise with the representative of the DPP, and the file is forwarded to the DPP for a possible withdrawal under the provisions of Section 121 of the MCA. Considering the provisions of 160, I'm inclined to enter a reconciliation in this matter. However, I'll proceed to deliver my ruling on the bail application. In the circumstances, I allow the application for bail. However, considering the nature of the case the accused persons are facing, I am putting the following conditions that the accused persons must abide with. The conditions for bail is 1. Each of the accused persons are released on cash bail of 1 million shillings. 2. The sureties are bonded at 5 million shillings each. Each of the sureties for each of the accused persons, not non-cash. 3. The accused persons are not allowed to leave the country without express permission of court. If they intend to leave the country, they have to seek permission of court. 4. The accused persons are warned from any interference with the victims or their workplace, whether verbally or through social media. As such attack, if proved, shall lead to automatic cancellation of bail. Those are the conditions for bail. If you meet the conditions above, it's determined by the DPP. So bail is allowed on the following terms. The accused is released on cash bail of 1 million shillings. The sureties are bonded at 3 million shillings, not cash. The accused is warned from leaving the country without express permission of court. For any possible reconciliation, counsel for the accused and the state can forward the file for the DPP for advice under Section 121. Considering the charges he faced, the court cannot just enter a reconciliation. I am also informing the bloggers, report what is right. If you find you are just reporting the way you want, you might come back as one of our clients. For us, we are ready to receive.
is fire. Kubanga emuddamu ebiro omusajja bajja muzzaayo ge mazima. Is fire buli omu asonyiwe munne byabaddewo. Past is past. Tugende mu maaso kiganda tufune music tukole big business.